So good morning mga ka-Big Bird. So dito tayo ngayon sa Georgetown City, Penang, Malaysia. So nakita natin na merong mga tindahan ng mga big bikes dito. So mostly European. So Ducati, Triumph, Royal Enfield, and then pero meron ding Kawasaki. Kasi service center lang ata yun ng mga lower CC. So check kami inside. So ayun yung mga motor. Ducati. Going inside. Hello sir. Well, just go inside and check it. We're from the Philippines.
How you have a Philippines?
Look for. You have accessories here or only there? Don't have motor like gloves, helmets. Gloves and helmets for sale.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yes, for now party. Upstairs, right? Jacket.
Okay. I'll go upstairs later. Thank you, sir. Ducati Monster. So dito kami sa Ducati sa Penang, Malaysia. So meron din pala dito mga Aprilia, Ducati Monster, Triumph, Trident 660. I think this is Versys 650, Triumph Tiger 800, Triumph Scrambler 400. Ano ba to isang to? Other brands, hindi ko alam eh. Royal Enfield Shogun 650. So can I go inside before I go upstairs?
Yeah.
And take a video of your beautiful big bikes? Ducati 899 Panigale. How many cubic centimeter is this?
How much?
How many cc? 660. This is Aprilia. Then Triumph Tiger Sport. This is 900. 660.
Yeah. This also.
660 cc. This is multi-strada, right?
Multi-strada.
This is a B4.
Yep.
Okay. How much is cost here?
Now it is 42,000.
42,000 ringgit.
Yeah.
So they have also mga pipes, exhaust, Leovins. What's this? Diabolus. This one, it's a Harley Davidson, right? Pan America. Correct? This is a Pan America.
Yeah.
Okay. Panigale B4. We are in Panigale B4, oh. So this one, how much?
It's new.
Yeah, how much?
175,000.
175,000. Maybe in the Philippines, I think it's 3 million, almost 3 million pesos. Yes. Okay, so akyat muna kami sa taas, mga ka-Big Bird, at magtingin na lang kami ng mga accessories. So, thank you, sir. We're going upstairs.
Your name is?
Your name is?
You can call me CK.
Okay, I am Gilbert from the Philippines. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm going upstairs. Thank you. Bye-bye. So mga Big Bird, we're here at Sheng now with my new friend. What's your name, sir?
Amin.
Amin.
Yeah.
So I just look around for accessories.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, have a look. We have a helmet area, some of the accessories, the bags, and jacket area. So you can have a look. There's a lot of things.
Thanks, sir. I'll go back to you. We'll go around first.
Sure.
Thank you. There, oh, daming riding gloves, Shima, Alpine Stars, 5. So, meron din dito mga Ducati, Panigale, and Aprilia. So, riding shoes. Later, magpalit ako ng camera. Wait lang po. So, there are many riding shoes. Alpine Star, jackets, and pants. So, medyo mahal dito compared sa Philippines. Kasi pag kinonvert mo, 1 peso is more or less 14 Malaysian ringgit. So, like yung Cardo, kung 35, 34 sa atin yung Edge Duo, dito aabutin ng 44,000. So, riding jackets, Alpine Star, puro Alpine Star. And nandun din sa, meron ding mga GB na mga jackets. Ayan, o. So, they have Insta360, Cardo, and Quadlocks. So, same laman siya sa Pilipinas. For example, how much is this? Ang Cardo Precom Spirit is 589 ringgit. So, round off natin to 600. So, pag nagpeso to times 14, 6,000, around 8,400 pesos. Tama ba? Parang tama. Kung di bobo yung math ko. So, they have Insta360. Hello, sir. This is the X5? X4. Okay. So, KYT. Nolan. Magkano yung Nolan? GB helmets. Also, HJC. Next, and the famous RI. So, RI, gaya nitong RI na to, it costs 2,650 Malaysian ringgit. Ngayon na lang mag-convert times 14 pesos. Ito naman yung Shoei. It's 3,400 Malaysian ringgit. So, times 14 pesos. Pero parang mura din naman. Kaya lang pag kinonvert mo talaga, kahit saang country ka magpunta, nararamdaman mo na mahal kasi mas mataas yung value ng kanilang money kumpara sa atin. Okay. This is malamang mahal to. Ito yung naka-display sa gitna. How price? Sheng Motors. So, the official dealer ng RI helmet dito sa Penang. Actually, it is pronounced as Penang, Malaysia. Parang hindi ako makakabili kahit isang riding gloves sa 270. Brands Fight for adventure bikes from France, right? No, I'm not sure if we have this brand in the Philippines. This costs 270 Malaysian ringgit. I like the phone. Matches my bike.
Yeah. You can have blue one, yeah?
Yeah, Pa-invite na din. Yes, everyone talking. So, round. Right?
Okay.
I'll get this one.
Sure.
And I pay in credit card?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you. So mga ka-Big Bird, we are leaving Sheng Fattt. No? Bumili lang tayo ng isang souvenir. Talagang gloves lang. Kaya ng budget natin. At least may nakita kong brand na hindi pa nakikita sa Philippines. I don't know, baka meron. Yun lang yung abot na ating makakaya. So, meron tayong souvenir from Malaysia. So, kami na ating may bahay ay may pupuntahan pa. So, because we will go back to the Philippines tonight. So, mula sa Malaysia, Big Bird Moto Club is signing off. Bye-bye!